What's going on, everybody? I am CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Today I'm not on my set. I have something a little special for you. Check this out.
Come on! Come on!
Fans of
lowercase j's.
First
cooking show.
last year,
we gave you a absolute best of the best
of
2022
compilation.
no one
saw.
so
This year,
We decided
to give to you the best.
and out of our
least
You.
video archive,
Of
2023.
You know what to do? DJ, kick that. So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
And today is a fun one. The indigenous, the industrious, the infamous. That's like famous, not just famous, but infamous Mojo Chicken Rice Bowl. So if you guys have never cooked with chicken cutlets, I highly recommend that you do so.
It is so choice.
Now, the reason is because of, number one, how quickly they cook, but actually that's the main reason.
Oh, right.
Started it on low and just a moment ago cranked it, moved it up
Dude,
to
you've got a lot of
medium
rhymes
low.
in you. Set it to low for your mojo. If you don't know, now you know.
Because this is my show.
Got
Wait.
the flow.
No, that's a crow.
That rhymed. Unintentional.
All right, we're gonna make like a little
Really, dude?
mango-ish. What?
A bag of shred. You couldn't cut the carrots yourself?
Well, I could, but
Like
this
how
is
often do you cut your own vegetables?
all the time. Like today.
Not today.
I've got a mango.
Oh, good.
I'm not using this mango though. I'm also gonna be using some pre-cut.
See?
Pineapple, mango, then we're gonna do a little bit of seasoning.
And vinegar.
Pretty much, oh, dang it.
Yeah. It's been a while since that happened.
Wow.
You alright, kitten?
No.
Take it easy, 10-ply.
Your 10-ply, bud.
It's literally not opening.
Wow, CJ.
You know what? That's just ridiculous. You want to make a big deal out of it.
Do you think anybody thinks I'm a failure because I go home to Starla at night?
Come back over here. We're gonna spice up this rice just a little bit.
You spice up your life.
At the dose. That's a commercial nobody will know unless you live
I
in.
was actually going to Spice Girls. I felt
Oh,
bad about
dang.
myself.
You know what? So tell me what you want. What you really, really want.
Well, I'll tell you what I want. What I really want.
Hold on.
Why are you the way you are?
I hate so much about the things that you choose to be.
The simplicity of the cook is just as simple as we plate. So grab
They
yourself
said the plate simple as the
the dish, the plate
of the right.
Right, exactly
Okay.
right.
English, do you speak it?
My favorite cooking show.
And
Cheers.
he's got great taste.
Listen,
Dang, you hear that airplane?
That's a motorcycle.
that's
Yes.
a jacked up moat.
That. Well, that's an airplane.
That's a helicopter.
Well,
You're
I'll get my
wrong,
vehicles
Brian.
right.
Yeah, I read something.
Not bird, nor plane, nor even frog.
Either way, we're wrapping it up with that one. Yo, dude, so I proposed it to him. They're good with it. You and the boys hungry? Obviously.
You're not talking to anybody.
You ever had the bandito?
How's
He's
that
never
even
had the
plug in?
bandito.
It's all
So
about
today, I'm
technique.
gonna show you how to make a basic Frito bandito. This is the money maker right here. All right, we're on the way. We'll see you in a minute.
What?
All right, bye.
It's so.
Let's go. We'll see you in a minute.
I feel like we're at the show already.
Well, we are at the show, and that's actually, can you just pinch me for a second?
Yeah, sound check's
We're
nuts.
at the sound check of P.O.D, hanging out with him backstage.
So
We're-
cool.
We've got backstage passes.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
I'm sorry.
We're not worthy!
Different application.
Two different applications of the same kind of onion. Thank you very much. So
Here
we're
comes
gonna
the boom.
use our mandolin again. Come on,
I
really?
snuck it in.
Really?
I snuck it in.
Really?
They're just going on.
Backward.
Yes, they are. Shut up. Shut up.
all
So
about
today,
technique.
I'm gonna show you how to make a basic Frito bandito. This is the money maker right here.
Sounds getting really loud.
60% of the time, all the time.
60% of the time, it works every time.
All right, that was well played. So Trey does have a Blackstone.
Yes, I do.
All right.
I have a Blackstone because of you.
Did you hear that?
I promised myself I wouldn't cry.
Frito Bandito, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Cheers.
Give it a try, give it a try. What do you guys think? It's a few magical ingredients. Caramelized onions, barbecue sauce, chili cheese Fritos, topped with some melted, it's gotta be American cheese.
Can't be mad at that.
Can't be mad at that, right? That's all right.
Oh, that's fire, dude.
Loving it.
Dang, how many burgers are we gonna make him eat? They're about to play, dude.
That's my favorite.
That's it?
Dude,
That's the one?
That's what I would order that one.
Okay, so you like the heat.
yeah.
Chipotle, that Chipotle ranch with the
Yeah,
with those onions.
And the jalapeno.
Yeah, jalapenos, dude.
They love it.
Oh,
What do you call a nosy pepper? A jalapeno business.
Oh.
oh.
I'll pretend you didn't say that.
That was as cheesy as this burger. Your sidekick needs to stop talking during the filming. It's distracting.
Stop talking.
To stop talking.
Hey, Ethan, quiet down over there.
First, this channel was annoying. Now it's unwatchable, even with the sound off. So
Wow.
why the hell are you watching, you numb nugget?
I told you this was gonna be fun!
Pork katsu. Dude, have you ever had it before?
Oh, yeah.
E, what about you?
Wait, have you made it before?
No,
Michael Jackson didn't come over to my house.
but my sister did. All right, let's get to the star of the show. The
Ethan.
pork.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna make basically a dredging station, a judge dredging
I-
station.
Ooh. I am the dredge.
I am the dredge. I've got some all-purpose flour. Then I've got
LaFleur.
Dude, LaFleur.
You're out, LaFleur!
That was gold. That was gold, dude. I've got a couple eggs here.
La Huevo.
Now
No.
you're just stretching here.
1 for 2.
Dude, the flavor of this is like monumental.
Oh, I thought you were gonna go money. And then Monfrere.
Au contraire, mon frère.
And you went monumental.
And if you do, you make yourself an honorary member of the Ring It and Bring It crew! So we've upped our
Ladies and
budget
gentlemen.
in the...
Little trouble there. Let's pick it up at 17.
So, dude, let's just keep scooting, shall we?
Let's scoot, boot, scoot.
Let's do a little boot scooting boogie. I got some boot scooting boogie. You can make your own rice.
You can grow your own rice.
You can grow your own rice. Says no one ever.
Hey, what's that?
But oh,
Made you look.
drop number 1.
Dude, your single hand,
Don't jinx it, bro. Dang it.
Jinx!
You could use regular mayo if you like. You could use that. Oh, wait a second. Oh.
oh.
It was working. I just didn't use enough for the muscles. Oh, there we go. Oh, dang.
Whoa.
Dude,
Whoa.
that's money in the bank right there.
Almost like it's Nirvana.
Maybe.
Hey, Ethan, did you know?
In the slaw.
Dude, you got Vachons everywhere.
Yep.
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 Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna, no, I'm gonna grab it. That's mine.
Oh.
Huh. Some Ben's rice. Use that broccoli.
This is really good, CJ.
Not a soup.
Good soup. I promise you, I'm 100% endorsing this. Not that my endorsement matters.
Money, 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 money.
I'm gonna give you a hard... Nah, dude.
Wait, did we?
It's like pushing the magnets of the opposite polarized forces. You can't just... Yeah. Sorry, dude.
Magnets, how do they work?
We're gonna be doing a chimichurri rojo. Have you ever had it before?
Rojo or Roja?
A rojo, it's just red.
Roja is red.
Rojo.
Rojo?
Rojo.
Amarillo.
Amarillo, rojo.
Ricky
It's
Martin.
definitely not azul.
Ay, caramba!
And they're gonna take a little bit of time.
A little time.
Not sure if we'll have enough time.
They're nibbly and vocal.
They're eating children!
about this.
Thank you very much. Are you
Really
saying
good
that
chimney.
because you were an inspiration for how I started making chimney?
I wasn't gonna say it about myself.
But that's exactly what you were wanting to go. That's the road you were going down, weren't you? You're always so selfish. This is not your show. This is CJ's first cooking show.
You don't.
Point is.
Don't put that kind of evil on me, Ricky Bobby.
No, he needs to know.
Okay.
He's always crying.
Tough love it is. Tough love. Wake up, idiot.
This.
Jimmy and steak, it's like Laverne and Shirley.
They go together.
Nate
like
and CJ.
Wayne and Garth. All the things.
Yeah.
So this we
You know what you could have used though?
What? Just say it.
A little bit of vinegar and chimney. Just a touch of vinegar goes a long way.
Dude, I'm already
if you
here.
got some.
I'm not
just
taking
saying,
a walk of shame for any reason.
If you have vinegar in your chimney, it's one of those things that makes it, it's just... Oh!
Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
Picked it up from the grocery store, got it home.
What happened?
I don't know.
Hey, Mr. Donut Head Man, who's trying to kill you?
No, that's not good.
I'm not happy.
Oh, no!
You're gonna thank me later.
Magic costs
All right.
sometimes.
Magic has a price, right?
What did it cost?
All right.
Everything.
Ooh.
Do you know the reference?
300.
No.
No, you said
Get something!
and take from them.
Everything!
No, I said, you know, it cost everything. It was the Prestige.
Okay, that's a great reference.
It's nothing to steal another man's work. It takes everything.
What did it cost?
Everything.
Oh, Infinity War.
Please take it easy.
All right. Here's the thing. Oh. Not oil. You think this is like the
Perhaps.
prettiest?
Well, like you've got, hang on, turn the plate. Your symmetry, your plate architecture, your colors, your textures. The fact that the steak, can I just, sorry,
You can't.
the steak juice is like basting in the potatoes. This is, did you know that was gonna happen?
Of course I did.
He's a natural. Inch your Tyrone.
Rojo, Roja. Ha ha ha. Aha?
Aha! Okay, so
You better
I'm
not!
not.
You!
I'm not doing anything for you.
Reading rainbow. I don't know why, for whatever reason, what you just said was like a sign off.
Butterfly in the sky.
That was it. There it is.
I can go twice as high.
Take
It
a look.
couldn't be sure,
It's in a
but it
book.
felt it.
Reading rainbow. Reading rainbow.
I
Okay.
can
I mean, you don't have
do
to keep
anything.
It was funny for a second.
My bad.
Set phasers to love me.
Carrabba's does it good, but I'm gonna do it better. Chicken Linguine Positano. This are the things that dreams are made of.
Ay, Carrabba.
Oh man!
Yeah.
Just a couple ingredients, and the first being your chicken.
Good.
You could use.
Pollo. Oh wait, it's Italian.
No.
Italian.
I speak the most Italian, so.
Yeah. So then, what is that, Nate? Huh? Wow. Is that it?
That ain't it.
I love Mozart.
Okay.
What is he? He says he's
Austrian, you know?
It's a great movie. If either one of you could tell me what movie that is,
Sing.
I will give you $10 right now.
Sing?
You are 100% way off. Ethan?
Dang.
Sing too?
I'm gonna give you $5 just because that was clever. All right, here we go. So we've got Brian Flint 6668.
Have fun being married to Satan.
Whoa.
Start the smashing. Start the cutting. Okay, stay there.
Okay.
I'm coming in. Coming in hot. I've got some cooked al dente. Check this out.
You checking?
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, you hold on.
I'm going to.
Okay.
Carrabbas, they just get these guys. Whoa. They
Here for
just
you.
throw them in there.
Here for you.
Oh, that's a bad lead. I'm not gonna do that.
Naughty Pat, you're naughty.
Oil. Oh, dude. All right. That is it right there. Let's slice up some chicken, dude.
Okay.
Okay.
Simple, quick, elegant.
Little, yellow,
different.
It looks amazing.
Bro, did you have any doubts?
Bro date. No, I didn't.
Dude, it is a little bro date.
It's only 2 people on
Just
set.
2 homies hanging out, having some fun.
Dude.
Carrabba's is good. It's steps ahead of Olive Garden, right?
I mean, like, half a step.
Yeah. Step. Much less many steps that would necessitate an entire
Stair.
Stair?
You know, Wayne, if you're not careful, you're gonna lose me.
Staircase?
Stairwell?
Stairwell.
Get the net!
It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So if this is your first time to the segment of the show, you sealed the deal, buddy. Ring it and bring it.
He made one of your recipes for Shark
Michael.
Week? Whoa.
I'm sorry, I'm free-raining.
Non-ain't Schnells? I don't think so. It's just all thumbs over there, guy.
Now, for some
Honorable
mention.
We're with my buddy Travis,
Yeah,
who,
he's
number
a stud.
one,
He's
he's a
awesome.
fireman. Number 2, he's my boy, and he's gonna take us out and kind of show us the ropes out in the ocean. We're gonna go out to an island, do some cooking.
Yeah, we're looking for snapper and grouper specifically. So
and maybe a shark. So we're gonna get out, get all of our gear, get going, and we're here.
we're there.
We're there. I'm gonna show you how to make a buffalo popcorn chicken wrap. It's going to be delicious. It's gonna be quick.
Pop, 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 pop,
Pop, pop, pop, pop.
It's gonna be fun. If you didn't know, also when the bell rings, grab something to drink. Enjoy the fun. We ring the bell a lot. So, hope you're ready. All right. Find a pothole in the ocean, bro?
What's wrong with your ship?
Apparently we're in a shallow spot.
Oh, I think we're stuck.
When can we get underway?
We're stuck here.
Yes. Weird.
Not,
No. So
Dang.
today, my friends,
I'm
if this is the
excited.
first time watching, grab something to sip on, because every time we ring the bell, we have ourselves a little fun. Oh, by the way, this is CJ's first cooking show. I am CJ, and this is my first cooking show.
True.
Secure!